Hello friends, I am Professor Aswale Sagar from Kikewa College, Sandori, Department of Commerce. Today we are seeing that this subject is Advanced Cost Accounting and Cost System, Paper 4 in MCOM Semester 2nd, Year 1st. So today we are seeing that most important topic in this standard, this is marginal costing. So let us see this point one by one. In this topic, we are discussing about the various types of important concept. Number first is contribution. Number second is break-even point. Number third is profit volume ratio. Number four is margin of safety. And last, how to calculate all of these above things in using by the formula. So let's go and discuss about the one by one things. So first one, we will see in that the what is mean by marginal cost. The term marginal cost refers to the amount at a given volume of output by which the aggregate costs are charged if the volume of output by which the means that the added or additional cost of an extra unit of produce means marginal cost means same thing as variable cost. It is a techniques of ascertaining cost use is any methods of costing. According to these techniques, variable costs are charged to the cost unit and fixed cost attributable to a relevant period in a return of in full against the contribution for the period. The marginal cost is calculated the various formula using by marginal cost is equal to the prime cost plus total variable overhead. How to calculate prime cost? So first one, opening stock add the purchases, then less the closing stock, and added the all direct expenses like architecture fees, royalties, etc., and calculate the prime cost. The many variable overheads are calculated in this chapter. Marginal cost is the most important factor in this syllabus or production industries or like a company sector. The next one point is most important in this chapter is the contribution. Contribution is the difference between the sales and the marginal cost also of sales. Contribution unable to meet the fixed cost adds to the profit. The contribution is the fixed costs are covered by the contribution and balance amount is addition to the net profit. The next one most important thing, how to calculate contribution is the selling price minus variable cost into the 100 and divided by the selling price. So calculate the contribution. Contribution is the most important factor in marginal costing. Contribution are also known as a gross margin. The contribution is the selling price minus variable cost. So calculate the contribution. Contribution about the turnover, how to calculate turnover and minus variable cost means various types of variable cost like indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses. These selling price minus variable expenses divided by selling price into 100, then calculate the contribution is very helpful to the when calculating the marginal cost of the product. Then next one point is the most important in this topic is break-even point. The break-even point and break-even chart are two by product by break-even analysis. Break-even point is the analysis of technique widely used by production management and management accountant. It is a categories production cost basis, thus which are variables and thus are fixed. The point which is no profit or no loss, the business or industry, it's called as a break-even point. The point of balancing profit no loss, this point at which losses and profit begins. This is point where begin exactly equal to the expenditure, means is income is equal to expenditure, it's called as a break-even point. One of the one hand and sale proceed and profit or other are analyzed. It is based on categories production cost between which are as variable cost and which are as fixed cost. Thus calculate break-even point. The most important things is the profit volume ratio. So how to calculate the profit volume ratio? The profit volume ratio, also called the contribution ratio or marginal ratio, is defined as a relationship between contribution and sales. In other words, profit volume ratio is a ratio of contribution to sales, and it can be expressed by using various formula. And then last one, most important things in this marginal costing, this is a margin of safety. Means margin of safety, this is the most important, the excess of actual or budgeted sales over the break even sales, it's called as a margin of safety. The margin of safety is the difference between the actual sales minus break even sales. So calculate the margin of safety, it is the most important thing in marginal costing. Each and every production level calculate the margin of safety due to the safety of the product and sales price, and give to the maximum profit. And the last one point is how to calculate all of this content, all of this point about using the formulas. Number first, how to calculate contribution. The contribution is equal to selling price minus marginal cost. Then number second, PV ratio. How to calculate PV ratio? The contribution divided by sales into the 100. Last lecture or last point, in this point we are already studying contribution. What is mean contribution? Selling price minus variable cost divided by selling price into 100. So calculate contribution. The next one formula is PV ratio. Another formula by using and calculating the PV ratio, selling price minus variable cost divided by selling price into 100. Then using by change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. And then next second one point is break even chart, break even point, fixed cost upon PV ratio into the 100. And last one, things how to calculate margin of safety, actual sales minus BEP sales. This is the formula of margin of safety. All of these things in this syllabus or in this chapter of marginal costing or marginal costing, this is a very important. Contribution, also PV ratio, also margin of safety, also break even point. This is the most important thing in this point are all of these things is most important, and using by calculation of marginal cost of the product. Thank you.